Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. We are back with day 2 of Earl Nightingale's 30-day test. Create a miracle in your life in 2 steps in 30 days. This is Dave the Barbarian with the Small Business Superheroes podcast. We're on day 2, and I hope you guys have each taken out your card and read your goal. You read it morning, noon, and night at a minimum. I hope you've been doing that. The other step is to get up early, work harder than you've ever worked before, and do more than is expected of you. I want to talk a little bit about the goal that you set. We talked yesterday about the fact that setting a goal that is specific and measurable is the most important part so that you know when you get there. There also has to be an element of time so that you know when you want to be there. One thing that I'm very careful about is making sure that it's a goal that is believable for you, but it doesn't mean that it has to be something that other people believe is attainable. Dyer, before he passed away, even said that when you set a goal like this, it's important that you don't tell anybody, because when you tell people, it begins to enter the realm of the ego. When you enter the realm of the ego, that's a weak place to work from, because now you have other people telling you just how much you can't accomplish. And the fact is that if you hang around people who are telling you what you can't do, eventually you're going to start to believe them. When somebody tells you you can't do something, what they're really saying is that they don't think they can do it. That's fine for them. They're living their life and taking their journey. You live your life and take your journey. You set the biggest, most powerful, most magnanimous goal that you want to set, that you believe that you can get to. If it's believable for you, you can absolutely achieve it. So set the goal that you want to set and don't worry about what other people's thoughts about it are. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. This has been day 2, Earl Nightingale's 30-day test. Let's get to it. Dave the Barbarian, AMSDynamics.com with the Small Business Superheroes podcast.